Hi kids, it's Teacher Patty again with my special assistant,
Theia.
and I wanted to show you another fun sensory activity that you can do at home. Now, you know how much I love shaving cream, but I got to thinking, maybe some people don't have shaving cream at their house. So I went online to look for a fun alternative, and I ended up with something that I like to call sensory foam. Now, it's super simple to make, and you just need a few things. A half a cup of water, 1/4 a cup of dish soap, a blender, and food coloring if you really want to have some fun. So first, what you do is pour your water into your blender, put in your dish soap, and tap it to get all the dish soap out, and then you can add your food coloring. I think I'll start with blue, just a few drops. 2, 3. Okay. Then you put your top on your blender, make sure it's secure. It's about to get loud, and you turn it on. You want to do it until it's nice and stiff and you don't see it really moving around so much. Let's take a look. Perfect. So what I did is I just found a couple little small containers to put my foam into. And you can see mine is just kind of a light blue. If you want it to be darker, you can add more food coloring in. And what happens as you play with the foam is that the water and the soap begin to separate. And so a fun thing to do is you can use a whisk, or you can even put it back in the blender and whip it all up. Parents, this is a great activity for color mixing, and it's just so much fun. And the great thing is it's soap, so it doesn't get terribly messy. So what do you think of it, Thea? What's your opinion?
I like it.
And that is sensory foam. Once again, a tray, or even if you feel like maybe doing it in the bathtub is a great idea, or outside.
This is a lot.
Yes, actually the recipe does make quite a bit. Just a special note for the parents, this is also a great time if you happen to have any plastic letters or even tiny animals. You can hide them in the foam. You can work on some letter recognition if you really want to. It's just a fun sensory activity that we love at our house. Right, Thea?
Yeah. Squeezy. It's very soapy and dopey.